Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. If your keyboard or mouse does not respond when you boot into WinRE, for example when trying to enter advanced startup or troubleshoot, then this video is for you. So let's see how to fix it. First, press and hold down the power button on your computer to perform a forced restart. Keep holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and the PC fully powers off. Wait for 3 seconds and press the power button again to turn it back on. This won't damage your system files. WinRE loads in memory, not from your Windows installation. After rebooting, if your system keeps returning to WinRE after rebooting, that usually means a bad system update, corrupted boot files, or your Windows installation did not shut down properly. If you have encountered any of this issue, then don't worry, here's a certain tutorial for you. However, if your system boots successfully after the restart, the next step is to fix the root of the problem. First, we will need to remove the problematic update. Now go to Windows Search and open Command Prompt as admin and Windows Terminal as admin. Now type the following command: WUSA space / uninstall space KB colon 5066835 and press enter. This will launch the uninstaller. Follow the prompts and your PC will remove the update. I have already done this, that's why here showing this message. Once it finishes, restart your PC. Next, we will install Microsoft's fix KB5070773. Now open any internet browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. After that, download the correct file for your system from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Actually, this bug was introduced in update KB5066835. Microsoft later released KB5070773, which fixes the problem. So we will download KB5070773 update according to your system architecture for x64 or ARM64. After downloading, install the update manually by double-click on the update.msu file. After installation, restart your computer. Now try entering the Windows recovery environment again. Now your USB keyboard or mouse should be fully functional. No more dead input devices in WinRE. So, I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.